In a city that moves without pause, stillness isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Welcome to Z Bliss, Mumbai. A space designed not just to stay, but to reset, recharge, and reconnect. Here, hospitality isn't loud. It's intuitive, thoughtful, and seamlessly present. Because those who carry purpose deserve a place that mirrors their pace. Every experience at Z Bliss is curated with care to ease you in, energize when needed, and help you find your pace again. Start with Stillness through our signature spa experience, crafted to refresh your senses and bring you back to balance. Ease into effortless care at our salon, where even the in-between moments are met with thoughtful attention. Our meeting spaces continue that intent, designed for clarity, privacy, and seamless execution. And when it's time to pause, find your rhythm at our fully equipped gym, designed to help you refocus and recenter. When it's time to unwind, our restaurant brings you more than just a meal. It's comfort in every bite, flavor that matches your mood, and an atmosphere that lets you fully unwind. And for the quiet endings you look forward to, our private in-house theater brings the perfect close to your day. We don't just host, we care, we connect, and we create moments that stay with you. Z Bliss Mumbai, not just another stay, an experience curated for those who carry purpose.